Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting now. Open Settings and verify location and Find My are enabled. This gives the locator permission to work. Sign into the same account on the lost device and on your current phone or computer so they can communicate. Once done, open the locator app or website and refresh. You will see approximate position updates. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active, because without a network, the device cannot report its coordinates. Once the map shows a location, zoom in and check timestamp to confirm freshness. You need accurate context. If sound is available, play it to locate a hidden device nearby. Next, lock the phone remotely and set a recovery message plus a contact number. This prevents misuse while offering return options. Only choose Remote Erase if you believe the device is permanently lost, because erasing removes tracking ability. Weigh the privacy risk versus recovery chance. You finish by validating the result. If the marker is stationary at a suspicious place, call local authorities and provide the timestamp location. Do not attempt retrieval alone. Once secure, change key passwords for accounts on the device to block access. If the locator shows no position, make sure the device has power and network. Sign out and sign back into your account, or toggle location and Find My, then retry. This often restores reporting within minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.